In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a zip file in Gmail. Fix today here. Let's begin. First, go to the Gmail website and make sure you're already logged into your account. Click the Compose button in the top left corner to open a new message window. At the bottom of the Compose window, click the Attach Files icon, which looks like a paperclip. Locate your .zip file on your computer, select it, and click Open. If Gmail blocks the file for security reasons or shows an error, use this alternative method. Click the Insert Files using Drive icon, which looks like a triangle, at the bottom of the Compose window. In the pop-up window, click the Upload tab at the top. Click Browse to open your file system, select your .zip file, and click Open. Click the blue Upload button and wait for the file to finish uploading to Google Drive. Once the file is attached through Drive, enter the recipient's email address in the To field and add a subject line. Click Send. If a sharing settings window appears, select anyone with a link to make sure the recipient can access and download the file. Click Send again to deliver the email with the Google Drive link. If you found this useful, subscribe for more clear tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. Congratulations.